Okay, today we're going to do our first YouTube box break ever with my gorgeous girlfriend doing the videotaping for me. We got TriStar Signa cuts and one pack of Ultimate Collection 2007 football. We'll start with the TriStar Signa cuts. These come 4 packs a box, one card per pack. Maybe we'll get some mojo, as everybody calls it, I see online now. Got a Mike McCormick autograph, Hall of Fame 1984. Numbered 11 out of 19. Not a bad card. Pack 2. Doesn't want to open. We got a John Campbelletti autograph, Heisman Trophy winner 1973. Numbered 112 out of 235. Pretty neat looking set. Pack 3. We got a Gary Clark autograph, 2-time Super Bowl champion, numbered 4 out of 15. Girlfriend seems to be pretty impressed with the set. She just mouthed the word nice to me. We'll have to get her on a box break doing hockey for everybody sometime. We got a Charlie Taylor autograph, Hall of Fame 1984, numbered 64 out of 65. Not a bad looking set. Now we'll do the Ultimate Collection football. Hopefully get something with Adrian Peterson on it. If I can get it open. Let's see what we can get. First card's a Byron Leftwich base card, 178 out of 400. Next card's a Quentin Moses autograph, rite of passage signature. Next is a Marshawn Lynch double jersey card. And last is a quad jersey with Tony Romo, Drew Brees, Steve McNair, and Carson Palmer. Got some stitching on the Drew Brees one. And that does it for my first box break.